Hello guys, and welcome back to Neo Gonzalez account. You can see now it's back snowing harder again. You can see, and the same thing, the branches are iced. They have a lot of stuff in it. And here we have, weather alert. You see all the snow falling down. You can see it's falling harder. It's already I don't know what time it is. I think it's 1 something. I think it's 2 something. Snowing really pretty rough. They said in the news that we're gonna be having we will be having snow coming back again, and yeah, see all the snow coming down. See from far away, all that stuff. See, that's a lot of snow. Actually, that's a lot of snow. Can't expect it. And yeah, everyone, hope you guys like this video. And this is the aftermath of what I done in the morning. So yeah, hope you guys like this video, and bye.